What's going on, guys? KRS back with another video. We always talk about the comparison of the each mobile phone, but this time it is different because we are comparing the brand new, or we can say well new, two phones which are Iqoo 7 Legend, which is known by everyone. I can compare easily it, but not available globally. And very few news are available of that phone about the performance and such things. And with the comparison of 7 Legend, we are comparing with the brand new Iqoo 9 Pro. If you want the more information, links up in the iCard. So let's get started. Usually we are not making this type of videos, but nowadays phone are coming very much quickly, and many of the people are confused over there that which phone should they buy, if they update their phone with the new one, or they should stick with their old one. Guy, starting of the 5G band of the both the phones, as we all know, 7 Legend was the first time of the Iqoo series, and coming with the powerful processor, and in the price it was coming, it was having the lesser band. But talking about the 9 Pro, it has the premium things all going on. So in the 7 Legend, there are only 6 to 5 bands, but in a 9 Pro, you'll get more than that. So 9 Pro is very much efficient in the 5G sector over here. Talking about the display in both the phone, in 7 Legend you will get the AMOLED display, which is of 120 Hz and 1300 nits of brightness over here. The HDR things is also over here. But talking about the 9 Pro, you will get very premium thing, which is a 10-bit of display, which is also a 2K LTPO AMOLED, 1500 nits of peak brightness, which is a very great thing over here. And the display quality and the touch sampling rate has been awesome over here. In the game and certain things, it can go up to 1000 needs of touch sampling rate, which is a very great thing. Also, the size of the phone over here is 6.62 inches of 7 Legend, but in the 9 Pro you will get the boost over here, which is 6.72 inches. So slightly bigger as compared to 7 Legend. Talking about the operating system in both the phone, in 7 Legend, at that time it was the latest, which is of Android 11 and FunTouch OS 11.1 or 11.0, and in 9 Pro you will get the Android 12 and FunTouch 12.1, which is a very great thing. Both has the latest thing at that time, and don't know if there is any update. If it is coming for the 12, I will update in the comment section or in the description. Talking about the processor, you will get the 888, which is a 5 nanometer processor. Links up in the icon for more details. And the Adreno is of 630 of 7 Legend. 9 Pro you will get the 8 Gen 1, which has the great processor and the best of this time, and also you will get the Adreno of 730. Talking about the battery, 7 Legends come with the 4000 mAh of battery. In China it has the 120 watt, but globally it shipped with the 66 watt fast charger. Over the 9 Pro, you will get the 4750 mAh battery, which is a great as compared to 7 Legend. And the boost over here is also of the charging thing, which is the 120 watts of fast charging support in all the sector, doesn't matter whether it is of China or of international thing. Also, the components which 7 Legend is missing is of fast wireless charging support, which 9 Pro has, and the reverse wireless charging is also available in 9 Pro. Reverse is of 20 watts and fast is of 50 watts. Talking about both the primary cameras, 7 Legend, you will get the 48 megapixel of camera with OIS. Nothing more high thing going on with the 7 Legend. But 9 Pro primary camera is very premium. It is of 50 megapixel, 1.8, both the side by side aperture, but has the gimbal image stabilization with the OIS, which is the very great camera, and the gimbal stabilization makes more even excellent over there. Talking about the telephoto camera of the 7 Legend, it is of only 13 megapixel, and with the aperture of 2.5, which is a great at that time. In the price it is coming, I told you in the older one also, which is the great. But over the 9 Pro, it is of 16 megapixel and with the 2.2 aperture, it is a telephoto with OIS. So here in the camera sector, it is an advantage over here. Talking about both the cameras of ultra wide, in 7 Legend you will get the 13 megapixel, which is of 2.2 ultra wide, no IS in both the sectors. But over the 9 Pro, you will get the 50 megapixel, which is of 2.3, which is the great camera as compared to 13 versus 50. 50 is excellent over there camera. So very premium camera as compared to 7 Legend. Talking about the video recording in both the phones, you will get 4K at 60 FPS in 7 Legend, but 9 Pro has the support of 8K at 30 FPS. Also, the 4K over here is of 30 FPS. Talking about the front camera, you will get the 16 megapixel both sides, but over here in 7 Legend you will get 2.0 aperture and in 9 Pro you will get 2.5. Also, the video recording over here of both the things remain same, which is of 1080p at 30 fps. Also, the storage support over here is both has the same storage support, but 9 Pro is coming with one more storage option, which is 12 plus 512 GB, which is the very great in the extra storage capacity, and both has the UFS 3.1 support, but in 9 Pro, it is coming with the version 6, means a little bit of high end, we can say, or and latest one in the UFS sector. Talking about the security things, means fingerprint and face unlock, both has the face unlock, and the under display is little bit of better of 9 Pro, which is coming with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is great in this phone, but in 7 it is coming with the same fingerprint which is used by each phone. Talking about the both the phone price, 7 Legend comes under 40,000 and 9 Pro comes under the 65,000, which is a great jump in the price sector. But 9 Pro is very premium as compared to 7 Legend, and also some deals are also going on. If you are interested to update to 9 Pro, you can easily exchange, and Iqoo has tell that they will give a extra discount for the Iqoo customers. So well, if you get the phone as per your requirement and fixed budget, it will be very great for you. This was all about the both Iqoo premium phone 7 Legend and 9 Pro. If you are interested, you can surely update to 9 Pro, but the 7 Legend is also a great phone coming with the flagship processor, which is still known as the great processor. If not the certain things is much more needed, it is not necessary to update. But if you are looking some of the premium features, which like the excellent camera and the performance, you can surely go with the 9 Pro. This was all about both the phones. Which is your best? Just tell me in the comments. If you want this type of video, just tell me in the comments which one to next compare with. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to our channel, share for more updates, and press bell notification to also never miss any other updates. Coming soon with another video.